Are you tired of that constant tingling, numbness, and burning in your hands and feet? Have you been from one doctor to another searching for clear answers? You try to eat healthy, but the symptoms just don't quit, leaving you feeling frustrated, unheard, and maybe a little hopeless. But what if the key to calming your nerves isn't just about eating healthy in general, but about removing one specific ingredient and embracing a few powerful foods? In this video, I'll share how I stumbled upon the surprising link between gluten and nerve damage, and I'll give you 3 delicious gluten-free meal ideas that can help support your nerve health and dramatically improve your symptoms. My journey with this started a few years ago. Patients would describe their symptoms when they came in as a weird buzzing feeling in their feet that wouldn't go away. It felt like they were constantly standing on a vibrating platform. Then came the pins and needles in their hands, and this deep aching pain that would jolt them awake at night. Doctors ran all the tests, but the results were always inconclusive. They labeled it as idiopathic, which is really a fancy word of saying we don't really know. The frustration was overwhelming. It felt like their body was betraying them, and no one could find the instruction manual. That's when I dove headfirst into the research rabbit hole, trying to find what my own answers were. And what I found was a condition that is real, recognized medical issue, but one that is often gets overlooked: gluten-related neuropathy. It turns out that for some people with unexplained nerve issues, the trigger might not be in the medicine cabinet, but sitting right there in your pantry. So, what exactly is gluten-related neuropathy? It's a condition where for some people, eating gluten, a protein in wheat, barley, and rye, triggers an immune response that can lead to nerve damage. We're talking about the peripheral nerves, the ones outside your brain and spinal cord that control what you feel and how you move in your hands, feet, arms, and legs. Think of it like this. Your immune system is supposed to be your body's security guard, but in someone with gluten sensitivity, it can mistake gluten for a threat. It launches an attack, but in the confusion of battle, this can create inflammation that may damage nerve tissue. It's like a case of friendly fire, and it's what can cause that numbness, tingling, burning, and pain we know all too well. And this isn't just a wild theory. While many people connect gluten with digestive problems like celiac disease, sometimes neurological symptoms can be the main or even the only sign that something's wrong. In fact, studies show that a portion of patients with unexplained neuropathy have markers in their blood suggesting a sensitivity to gluten or celiac disease. Often the diagnosis of gluten-related neurological issues happen years later than for the gut-related symptoms, simply because that connection isn't made soon enough. You could be suffering for years, totally unaware that the bread, pasta, and the cereal you're eating might be fanning the flames. The way gluten can mess with nerve health seems to be a 2-part problem. First, as we discussed, is the immune response. The inflammation that your immune system creates when it reacts to gluten can damage the nerves themselves or their protective coating, known as the myelin sheath. When that coating is compromised, nerve signals can't travel properly, leading to all those frustrating symptoms. But there's a second, more sneaky way gluten can cause trouble, especially for those with full-blown celiac disease. In celiac disease, gluten actively damages the lining of the small intestine. This damage makes it incredibly difficult for the body to absorb the very nutrients that are essential for nerve function and repair. We're talking about a whole team of critical vitamins and minerals. B vitamins, especially B12, B6, and B1, are absolutely vital for a healthy nervous system. Vitamin B12, for example, is essential for maintaining that protective myelin sheath. Then there's magnesium, a mineral that plays a huge role in nerve signal transmission. And let's not forget antioxidant vitamins like vitamin E, which helps protect nerve cells from damage. While nutrient absorption isn't typically affected in non-celiac gluten sensitivity, people with celiac disease are often found to be deficient in these key nutrients, not because they aren't eating them, but because their gut simply can't absorb them properly. So you can end up with a perfect storm, an active inflammatory response aimed at your nerves, combined with a lack of essential nutrients needed to defend or repair them. It's no wonder so many people feel like they're fighting a losing battle. If any of this is starting to sound familiar, if you're having a bit of an aha moment right now, Do me a favor and tap that like button and subscribe. It really helps me know that this information is getting to the people who need it most. The good news is that once you understand the why, the solution starts to become clear. It's a two-part strategy that's simple in theory, but requires real dedication. First, you have to remove the trigger. For many, this means adopting a strict gluten-free diet. And for this to be effective, especially for those with celiac disease or confirmed gluten neuropathy, strict is the key word. Even a small amount of cross-contamination, a crumb from a shared toaster, or a cutting board can be enough to keep that inflammatory response going. It's not about cutting back. It's about complete elimination of wheat, barley, rye, and hidden gluten in sauces, soups, and so many processed foods. Secondly, you have to actively give your body the right fuel, the nutrients it needs to support and protect your nerves. You can't just swap a gluten-filled cookie for a gluten-free cookie and expect miracles. Many processed gluten-free foods are low in fiber and key nutrients. The goal is to focus on whole, unprocessed foods that are naturally gluten-free and packed with nerve-supporting vitamins and minerals. This two-part approach, removing the inflammatory trigger and flooding your body with healing nutrients, is what can give you the power to take back control. All right, now for the fun part. Let's talk about what you can eat. Here are 3 delicious, easy gluten-free meals designed specifically to support nerve health. Here's our first one, the nerve-soothing salmon bowl. This is a true powerhouse meal. The star is a beautiful fillet of wild-caught salmon. Salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are famous for their anti-inflammatory power and are important components of nerve cell membranes. They make up that myelin sheath, that fatty acid. We'll pair that with a bed of quinoa. Quinoa is a fantastic gluten-free seed that's a complete protein and a great source of magnesium, which plays a vital role in nerve function. It's also rich in potassium, which is important for helping nerves transmit messages effectively. On the side, we'll have some roasted asparagus and broccoli. These green veggies are packed with B vitamins like folate and other antioxidants that help protect your cells. Drizzle it all with some olive oil, a healthy fat that helps your body absorb all those wonderful fat-soluble vitamins. This single bowl provides anti-inflammatory fats, essential minerals, and critical B vitamins. Now, meal idea number 2, the loaded sweet potato and avocado bowl. This meal is vibrant, satisfying, and fantastic for your nerves. We start with the baked sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are bursting with vitamins A and C, which are powerful antioxidants and also contain natural anti-inflammatory compounds. We're going to load it up with black beans, a great source of magnesium and plant-based protein. Then add a generous serving of sauteed spinach. Dark leafy greens like spinach are nutritional superstars, providing B vitamins, magnesium, and vitamin E. Finally, top it all off with a few slices of fresh avocado. Avocados are full of healthy fats and are another excellent source of potassium for healthy nerve conduction. This bowl is not only delicious, but also delivers a powerful dose of antioxidants, magnesium, and fiber to support stable blood sugar, which is also critical for nerve health. Meal idea number 3, the ultimate nerve support omelet. This one's my favorite. Never underestimate the power of a good breakfast. For this meal, we'll whisk up 2 or 3 pasture-raised eggs, like I have some at home myself. Egg yolks are all a fantastic source of vitamin D and choline, and eggs themselves provide high-quality protein and vitamin B12, which is fundamental for nerve repair. As you cook the omelet, toss in a handful of spinach and some mushrooms. Mushrooms are another good source of B vitamins. Serve this alongside a slice of gluten-free, whole grain toast topped with avocado. I actually prefer ancient grain ones like Ezekiel bread if you can. This is simple, quick meal, gives you a fantastic combination of protein, healthy fats, and a spectrum of B vitamins, including B12, making it the perfect way to start your day with your nerves in mind. Now, we're going to go over a few nuances and what you should expect. It's really important to have a realistic chat about what to expect. Making this dietary change can be life-altering, but it's not an overnight miracle. The primary goal is to support nerve health and reduce neuropathic pain. For many, this means a big improvement in symptoms like burning and tingling and halt to further damage. Some observational studies have shown that a strict gluten-free diet is associated with a significant reduction in the odds of having neuropathic pain in people with gluten neuropathy. However, the word reverse should be used with caution. The potential for reversing damage often depends on how early the issue is caught and the extent of the damage. For most people, the incredibly valuable outcome is symptom control and preventing things from getting worse. It is also absolutely critical that you work with a doctor. Before starting any major dietary change, get tested for celiac disease and for gluten antibodies. And make sure other common causes of neuropathy like diabetes, a direct B12 deficiency, thyroid issues, alcohol use, chemotherapy are all ruled out. Gluten might be a main trigger, or it might be one piece of a much larger puzzle. Finally, remember that just because a package says gluten-free doesn't mean it's healthy. Swapping wheat bread for highly processed gluten-free bread full of sugar and starches won't give you the nutrients you need. Focus on a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. That is the true foundation of healing. That feeling of tingling, numbness, and pain can make you feel completely powerless, but understand that there could be a link between gluten and your nerves is the first step to reclaiming your power. It's a journey that starts with 2 simple steps: removing the potential trigger by going strictly gluten-free, remember nothing, and nourishing your body with nutrient-dense whole foods. The meals we talked about today, the salmon bowl, the loaded sweet potato, the nutrient-packed omelet, are more than just recipes. They are tools. They are a way for you to actively participate in your own well-being to calm the inflammation and to give your nerves the building blocks they need to function. This path takes patience and commitment, but the possibility of quieter nights, steadier hands, and a life with less pain is a powerful motivator. You have the ability to make choices every single day that can support your body's healing process. I would love to hear from you. Have you ever noticed a connection between what you eat and your nerve symptoms? Have they gotten worse when you eat certain foods? Share your story in the comment below. Your experience could be the spark of hope that someone else needs to see. And if you found this video helpful and want more science-backed info to take control of your health, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with anyone you know who is struggling with unexplained nerve pain. You never know whose life you might change. Thank you for watching, and be well.